Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Saunshi tutorials. Hope you all are doing good. So in my previous video, I have discussed the congruency of triangles. How when we say that two triangles are congruent and what are the conditions for the congruency. So now let us discuss some of the criteria of the congruency. So each and every see, I said that two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if the corresponding, for suppose this is A and this is B and this is C and this is P and this Q and R, then these two triangles are congruent, then corresponding sides and corresponding angles must be equal. Here the corresponding angle, that is angle A is equals to angle P and angle B is equals to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. Okay, so this is what we discussed, and also we have said that AB is equals to PQ and this BC is equals to QR and that AC is equals to PR. So this is what we discussed in our previous video. So in this class I am gonna teach about the criteria. See, every time we can't say the all 6 parameters. Here all 6 parameters, 3 angles and 3 sides. Every time ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು every time ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ನು ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ, that criteria, based on that statement of that criteria, so we can say by any 3 parameters. Okay, for suppose angle, side, angle, we have side, angle, side, and we have yes, that means side, and also RHS. Like this we have 4 criteria in which we can say that the two triangles are congruent by using the 3 parameters. Okay, so in this video we will be discussing thoroughly of about the criteria of congruency of triangles. Okay, let us discuss the first criteria, that is axiom 7.1, that is two triangles are said to be congruent. Two triangles are said to be congruent when two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the another triangle. So and this criteria is also called as SAS, that is side angle side, because we are using two sides. SAS criteria, SAS criteria for congruency, or else SAS congruency rule we can write it. So how this works means, see, two triangles L, M, N and X, Y, Z. So for suppose we have two triangles, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈ axiom 7.1 ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ SAS, ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಾಹು ಕೋನ ಬಾಹು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಬಾಹು ಕೋನ ಬಾಕೋಬಾ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ ಎರಡು ಬಾಹುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಎರಡು ಬಾಹುಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೋನ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಆ ಇವೆರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬಾಹು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ನಡುವಿಂದ ಕೋನ ಈ ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ್ದು, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅನದರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಆದಾಗ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ angle L is correspondent to angle X, angle M is correspondent to angle Y, angle N is correspondent to angle Z. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ LM correspondent to side XY and MN correspondent to side YZ. Another one, LN correspondent to side x z. Okay, we have all these sides, right? So this much we have. In that we are taking 2. Okay, sorry, 3. That means 2 sides and the included angle. For suppose if we take this LM and MN, okay, LM and MN, the included angle will be this angle LMN. That means the angle M equal to angle Y, that we should take. The included angle, the angle should be common. That means the two sides which are equal, no, that should be the arms of the angle formed. Clear? So this is the LMN. If we take LM, MN and XY and YZ. For suppose if we take the two sides equal are LM and LN and here XY and XZ, the angle should be angle MLN and YXZ must be equal. That is the angle L must be equal to angle X. This is very, very important. We should see the order. Okay, we should see the order, in which order it is equal. Clear? So here, for suppose we will take let LM is equals to XY, LN is equals to XZ. Okay, LM is equals to XY and LN is equals to XZ, and angle L is equals to angle X. See here, two sides of these two triangles, two sides, and the included angle of those two sides are one triangle are equal to the another triangle. Then by this statement, what is the statement? Axiom 7.1 or the congruency criteria for SAS criteria for congruency says, so if two sides and an included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. Then by this criteria we can say this triangle LMN is congruent to triangle XYZ. Okay, so by the criteria we can say that LMN triangle is congruent to triangle XYZ. So this is the theorem or axiom 7.1 or congruency rule for SAS congruency rule. Okay, so this rule states that when two triangles are congruent when the two sides of and included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and included angle of the another triangle. Okay, let us now discuss about the theorem 7.1 or the second criteria of a congruency of triangles, that is the ASA. Previously we have shown that SAS, that is side angle side, and this is angle side angle criteria. Okay, same statement, two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and one included side of the another triangle. Okay, there we took two triangles in which two sides are equal and the included angle is equal. Here we need to take that two angles must be equal and the included sides, the arm which is common to both the angles must be equal. For suppose again I will be taking the same triangles. I will be taking same triangles L, M, N, P, Q, R. So you know the corresponding angles and corresponding sides. No need to take all 6 at a time. We need to do, or we have to take any 3 particularly. So we will select the sides, that means angles, angle L equal to angle M, sorry not MP. Okay, with this we will take let angle L equal to angle P, angle M equal to angle Q. Suppose for C it is like this, means we can't take angle N, angle R or angle P, because see angle L equal to angle M, okay, sorry, angle L equal to angle P, M equal to Q. Now the common arm for both of these angles is the side LM, right? Then the LM must be equal to PQ. Okay, we can't take this MN and LN. Okay, because this L, okay, angle L is equal to angle P and angle M equal to angle Q. The included angle is this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ angle L equal to angle P ಇದೆ, angle M equal to angle Q ಇದೆ. ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ಗೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವುದು? L ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ LM, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ PQ. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ this implies a triangle LMN is congruent to triangle PQR. Reason ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೈ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ಬೈ ಯಾವ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ. ಬೈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ರೈಟೀರಿಯಾ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋನ ಬಾಹು ಕೋನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಕೋನ ಬಾಹು ಕೋನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಟೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ and one side, included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the included side of the another triangle, then okay, then the two triangles are said to be congruent to each other. This is about the theorem 7.1 or criteria, ASA criteria. Sometimes we can also say that angle side or side angle. So this also we can take, that means no included side must need to be equal. Any two angles and any one side of the two triangles are equal means then the two triangles are said to be congruent. That is called as AAS or SAS. That means any two angles, for suppose here I will take angle L equal to angle M and angle N, angle this is P and angle N equal to angle R and again LM equal to PQ. Clear? See, these two angles are equal to these two and LM equal to PQ. Again here we can say that two triangles are congruent. That is LMN, that is the triangle LNM is congruent to triangle PQR by angle side criteria of the congruency rule. So sometimes we can even take like this also, no need to be included angles, but whenever it is an included angle then it is an angle side angle criteria, but when it is not an ASA we can take as angle side criteria. So this is about theorem 7.1, that is the angle side angle criteria for congruency of the triangle. Well, till now we have discussed about two criteria of congruency in which we can say that two triangles are congruent. Before getting on to the third criteria, let us discuss about two theorems on the isosceles triangles. This is very, very important. The theorem number 7.2, theorem 7.2. So the statement of theorem number 7.2 is based on the isosceles triangles. That means the angles opposite to equal sides of isosceles triangle are always equal. That means, what is the statement meaning means, for suppose there is an isosceles triangle, okay, ABC, isosceles triangle ABC is there, okay, in which AB is equals to AC. Okay, given means the isosceles triangle means, as you know already, that is two sides of a triangle will be equal. If all three sides are equal, then it is an equilateral triangle. If two sides are equal, then it is isosceles triangle. What they are telling means, if AB is equals to AC, That means two sides of a triangle are equal, then the angles opposite to these sides are equal. Here the angle opposite to AB is angle C and angle opposite to AC is angle B. Then they are telling that these two angles are equal. Then angle B is equals to angle C. So this is the statement of theorem number 7.2, which states that the angles opposite to equal sides of a isosceles triangle are always equal. The same we will see the converse, that is the theorem number 7.3. Theorem 7.3, what it states means the reverse. That means the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal, right? So here we have taken the opposite angles. The angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Here we will take the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. For suppose there is a triangle PQR, and in this triangle, if angle Q equal to angle R, or else you can take angle P equal to angle R, angle Q equal to angle P, whatever it may be. Okay, irrespective of the order, angle P equal to, here we have taken angle Q equal to angle R. Then the sides opposite to these angles, the side opposite to angle Q is PR and the side opposite to angle R is PQ. Then PQ is equals to PR. This is the statement of 7.3, that is, and 7.2 and 7.3. So here in 7.2 we take that the angles opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are always equal, and in the 7.3 we take the sides opposite to the equal angles of the triangle are always equal. This is the statement of 7.2 and 7.3. Okay students, now let us move on with our third criteria, that is theorem number 7.4. One more criteria: if three sides of one triangle, three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Simple statement and simple thing. So any two triangles P, Q, R and a triangle X, Y, Z. Okay. They are telling all three sides, that is PQ must be equal to XY and QR must be equal to YZ and PR must be equal to XZ. Then the two triangles are said to be congruent. This is the statement of this statement is called as SSS criteria. Okay, SSS criteria of congruency. SSS criteria of the congruency. This is the statement. Okay, so two triangles are congruent if all three sides of one triangle are equal to all three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruency. Here we can write it as triangle PQR is congruent to triangle x, y, z on the base of yes congruency rule or criteria. Okay, criteria congruency rule. Clear? So this is what. Okay, students, let us now discuss the last criteria of the congruency of two triangles, that is theorem number 7.5. What is the statement means? If any two right angles, the hypotenuse and one side of the one triangle is equal to the hypotenuse and the one side of the another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. For suppose I'll take two triangles, that is right triangles, okay, A, B, C and P, Q, R, in which angle B is 90 degree, also angle Q is 90 degree. That means the two triangles are right angle triangles. So the theorem number, that the criteria states that if in a two right angle triangles the hypotenuse, that is AC must be equal to PR. Here AC must be equal to PR also, and any one side, that means AB, maybe AB equal to PQ or else QR equal to BC, any one of the side. We will take AB equal to PQ. Okay, if this is the case, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. In a two right angle triangles, if the hypotenuse and any one of the side are equal to the hypotenuse and any one of the side of the another right angle triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent, because already the angle B will be equal to angle Q, which is 90 degree, right? Therefore we can say that a triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. So this rule is also called as RHS congruency rule. RHS congruency rule. So RHS stands for right angle hypotenuse side. So this is called as RHS rule. So we can say this by RHS congruency rule. Right? So this is what all the criteria are about. Okay, so hope you all enjoyed the video. If any queries, any doubts, comment in the comment section, like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.